Today we are going to learn the verb être, le verbe être. It means to be. Before we do the conjugation, we need to know pronom sujet, the subject pronoun. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. Now, you also it means you, and vous also it means you. Why? Tu, it is used for singular and informal conversations, like when you are talking to your friends or your family members, you would say tu. When you are talking to your mama, you would say tu. And vous, it is for plural. When you are talking to more people, more than one person, and during the formal conversations. If you are talking to, for example, you are talking to your students, then in that case you would say vous because you are talking to many people. But if you are talking to only one student, you would say tu. So that is clear. Now we move to the conjugation. The subject pronoun we have seen. So now we move to the verb. Être, it means to be. Être, it means to be. So for each subject pronoun, the conjugation of the verb être is different. For example, je suis, je suis. I am, je suis. Tu es, tu es. Il or elle est, he or she is. Il est, elle est. Nous sommes, sommes. Vous êtes. As et, it is starting with a vowel, so it is joining the sound of letter S. It is joining with et. Vous êtes. We are linking it with the previous consonant. So vous êtes. Ils sont, elles sont. Ils sont, elles sont. Now let's see some examples how we are using it in a sentence. For example, we say je suis une fille. Je suis une fille. I am a girl. Je suis une fille. Il est homme d'affaires. Il est homme d'affaires. Elle est femme au foyer. Elle est femme au foyer. Vous êtes à l'école. Nous sommes des élèves. Now it is the time for a small quiz, un petit quiz. Trouve la bonne réponse. Trouve la bonne réponse. You will see there in the sentence the conjugation is missing, the subject is given. So you have to find the correct conjugation. So, elle dash jolie. Which one is the correct option? We will say elle est jolie, elle est jolie, or elles sont jolies. Elle est jolie. Elle est jolie. Elle est jolie. Vous triste. Triste. Vous êtes triste. I hope you could find the answer. Ils en classe 9. Il est en classe 9. Elle dans le jardin. Dans le jardin. Elles sont dans le jardin. Elles sont. I hope you didn't say elle est because here it is in plural. Elles plural. So we will say elles sont. Elles sont dans le jardin. Nous, musiciens. Musiciens. Nous sommes musiciens. Nous sommes musiciens. Bravo! If your answers were correct, that's amazing. But if the answers were not correct, you can watch the video again.